This video examines Pakistan's recent strategic move to expand its influence into Somalia and the broader Indian Ocean region. Following a defense cooperation agreement with Mogadishu on August 4th and a collective security pact with Saudi Arabia and Turkey on August 7th, Islamabad appears to be positioning itself within the emerging security architecture of the Red Sea and Western Indian Ocean. Key takeaways include strategic geography. Somalia's location at the mouth of the Gulf of Aden and its proximity to major global trade routes make it highly valuable. Pakistan is leveraging its military capabilities, such as training and counterterrorism expertise, to secure a foothold in Somalia. Regional partnerships. By aligning with Saudi Arabia, financial weight, and Turkey, technological defense credibility, Pakistan seeks to gain geopolitical leverage without bearing the full financial burden itself. Potential defense exports. There are reports of interest in Pakistan's JF-17 fighter aircraft, which could strengthen ties through defense supply chains. Geopolitical balancing. Islamabad is navigating a complex landscape involving regional rivalries and U.S. security policies. While the U.S. has tightened restrictions on Somalia, Pakistan is increasing engagement, potentially stepping into a strategic space left by others. Strategic ambition. While the current steps are focused on counter-terrorism and capacity building, the long-term goal appears to be establishing a broader strategic network and gaining a seat among the powers that shape security in the Horn of Africa and the Indian Ocean.